It's well built. Actually, my grandfather and my great uncle built it together, and it's well built, but it just looked like it needed a little bit more love. It was original 1948 shake shingles that my great uncle put on, and then all of the windows that were the original aluminum windows from 1948. We had a wonderful hailstorm come through last September of 2016, and it did quite a bit of damage on the roof and the windows and a lot of the property, including our vehicles. So Energy Guard replaced our roof and then all of the windows and then all new gutter system as well. Wonderful. The crew that did the roof and the windows and the gutters, they came in, set up shop in our front yard and did their work, and they were in and out of here. Everybody was kind, and it was nice having them out here actually. We're actually thankful that the hailstorm came through so we could have a little bit of coverage from the insurance on that. And we're just happy to have a new roof and new windows. We've actually lowered the temperature in our house about 7 degrees. We've lowered our thermostat 7 degrees since having our new windows in. That's a huge difference for us. Anybody who comes down our driveway or has driven by on the highway, which is about a half a mile away, has said, "Wow, we really noticed your roof." It's a beautiful red, which is the color that we chose to match some of the trim on the house. But we get a lot of compliments on the roof, and the windows, the beautiful white on the windows and the way it was put together is just it just looks really nice. It looks like a nice little family home out in the country. Absolutely. Absolutely. Energy Guard did a really good job. For us, we can look at the aesthetics of it and say, oh, that looks really nice, but to be able to lower the thermostat in our home by 6 or 7 degrees and see that on the financial side, that's one of the bigger pieces of proof to see that the product is really doing its job.